Hi guys, hope everyone is doing well and welcome to our weekly analysis of Bitcoin. Now, as you know that this is the beginning of a new week and we have a new candle to analyze and forecast where Bitcoin might go up. So without any delay guys, let's start. We'll cover Bitcoin first and then we'll move on to Ethereum. Please watch this video full or else you will miss a lot of important information. Okay, so having said that guys, let's start. As you can see that this is the weekly candle. Uh, this is the parallel channel inside which we are currently residing. Now, if you want to see, then this is the support we are currently getting support from. Okay, this is a very good support for Bitcoin, guys. Now, there are various reasons behind it. One is it is the bottom of the parallel channel in which we are in. So we tested the we just take this out for now. You can see that we tested the top of the channel almost 1, 2, 3, 4 times, and you can see the middle of the channel has been performing some support. Now we are again in the bottom of the channel, so I would want to take a good bet here with a good margin because from here Bitcoin can again go up, tap the middle of the channel and then come down. Okay, and you can see Fibonacci level, it is perfectly coming and residing between the 0.382 and the 0.236. However you want to draw it, guys, I normally draw my Fibonacci opposite, but if you want to draw it like this, then you can see that it is between the 0.618 and the 0.786. So this is a good level of support to aim at. Okay, and what I think is Bitcoin might get some support here, and if we retain this support, we can go test the top of the channel or the middle of the channel and then come back again. Okay, so this is what I see happening to Bitcoin from this channel prediction. Let me just align it properly for you and then we can start properly. Yeah, so this is the channel. So I expect that Bitcoin at least can go and tap 23,057 region, or at least this 22,000 region. Reason being, guys, whenever a new weekly candle starts, then at least the candle needs to go and recover the half of the last week candle. Only then if it goes down, it is healthy, or else we are just chopping in the market and we go sideways. Okay, so on the basis of this support, I'm going to take some longs on Bitcoin. Actually, I'm already on some longs on Bitcoin. If you go to the 4-hour time frame and see, then you can see it quite clearly over here. Yeah, that this is the middle of the channel from where we are expecting Bitcoin to hit over here. And if you put the Fibonacci level over here, then you can see that my 0.382 support level is coming right around here. Okay, and the 0.618 is coming around here. So these are the two targets I'll be aiming. Of course, we can go and tap the higher areas again, but yeah. So in case of take profit point of view, these will be the three targets we'll be aiming at. And hopefully Bitcoin is going to go and test this area again, or else this down move down will not be healthy. Okay, you can see currently market has fallen quite fast, that because of the global scenario and whatever is going on. But over the weekend, you saw that there was no action. And today, when the US markets open, we can 100% see some action because a lot of news are coming out. I'll cover it in a separate analysis, like what to do with the bonds, and you can see the bond yields are coming to a higher level, and what will happen, how will it impact Bitcoin going forward. We'll discuss that. Okay, so in the 4-hour time frame, you can see that these are the targets we are aiming at from this long. Now I don't think that Bitcoin is going to move from here, of course, but going to this weekly candle, at least I want to see half of the candle recovered, at least till here. This will be my primary target, and then I will analyze more and let you guys know how it is going. Okay, now if you guys want to go on the 15-minute time frame, I want to show you that because we had this support marked on our chart, so we took a limit order. Let me just zoom into the price action over here. Okay, we took a limit order from the bottom over here. 19, I think 19,556 was our entry, and we got a low of 19,505 on our Binance chart. And I posted this on Twitter, guys, today, that if you missed this long, then you could have always entered right around these two channels over here, because these are the Fibonacci retracements level. Okay, so if you have missed a run, then there are 2-3 ways how you can trade this. I will give you a few ways over here. Now once this whole wave is retracing, you can see that now we are getting support from the 0.618. We can always come down and tap this region of 19,725 and 19,682 again. So either you can take a long from there, or what you can do is you can mark this as a swing failure trade on which Bitcoin is getting support. Now most of the people, what they do is, when you get a price action like this, we recover the swing failure and you find support, this should be your entry. Okay, so these are the few scenarios you can try to take a trade from, and do not be afraid, guys, because the only thing which will stop you from taking a trade is the fear of losing it. Okay, now you can remember that we were longing here and we are longing here also now, so do not get bearish at support and do not get bullish at resistance. So two ways, guys: wait for these levels to get hit or try to average in your buys here. Like you can see, since morning on this swing failure support, Bitcoin is constantly consolidating, and if we see some good move over here, we can go up from here. Now guys, moving on to Ethereum, you can see that Ethereum is currently residing between the 0.618 and the zero point 0.5 Fibonacci level, and I'm looking at this parallel channel. It is approaching the bottom, but because BTC is at the bottom of the channel, so we have entered our position on Ethereum. Whenever our limit order for BTC got triggered yesterday, we just went ahead and entered Ethereum. Now if you see, there are various confluences over here. Let's we can move on to the 4 hours time frame first, and then there I will show you. You can see that the swing failure over here is quite legible to you. Okay, that is why I like this trade on Ethereum. You can see that quite a good pattern on the 4-hour time frame over here. Yeah, and inside the C wave over here, I was looking at this pattern to enter at. And if we zoom into lower time frames, then you can see that let me just delete all this. You can see that this was our swing failure trade on Ethereum, which I had targeted. I've made a video on swing failure trade and I keep discussing about it, but you could have always claimed this trade. Now you can see that we are currently on the support over here, and you could have easily entered over here. Okay, so this is one way of entering the trade, and the other way remains same, that you can always target some retracement of the wave and enter. Okay, as you can see that Ethereum tapped the 0.5 and the 0.38 zone quite well, so you could have entered a trade very nicely on it. And currently we are just waiting for the US markets to open, and if this resistance on Ethereum breaks, then we can go and target higher levels. Okay, so if we want to see where Ethereum can go over the weekend, then you can see that quite clearly a nice corrective pattern has formed on Ethereum, and the minimum targets with this as the bottom and this as the top, what I see for Ethereum is at least till this level. Okay, and if we manage to cross this level, then I think this is the next level we can target at. Okay, so this will be the two targets for Ethereum from this trade we have taken, from this swing trade you have taken. Now you can always, guys, loosen up your position a little bit as we go and hit some psychological levels like 1600 or something. These are all psychological levels, and a lot of people will be taking profits on. Okay, and being from the bottom, you will see that this will be a very good trade of almost 10.88%. Okay, guys, I hope that these two trades are, you understood how I took all these trades, and going into the week, this is our plan. Now we are on long on a lot of altcoins, and you could have joined our Discord, you could have attended our live stream over there, and you will get all such coins. The link is below, guys. Please go ahead, click on the link and join our Discord. There I post quite regular updates on altcoins and the charts that I make over there, because it is quite easy to communicate with people over there. Okay, guys, please like the video and drop a comment if you want some more information going to the week, and let me know how can I help you, guys. Thank you for watching. Take care. Bye bye.